I made this ancient drink and I was so surprised with the result that I want to share the recipe with you. Take 2 cups of wheat and 1 cup of whole rice and soak in water overnight. The next day, change the water and use 4 liters of fresh water and boil until really mushy and soft. Blend and strain it. You may keep the leftover cereal for bread. Once cool, mix together 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast in 1 cup of warm water, and stir this mixture into the cream. Next step, cover and let sit in a cool place for 20 hours. Now it's time to sweeten to your taste with 1 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix all these ingredients together, adding water to your taste, and the result is a creamy drink to serve with cinnamon. This drink is wonderful for digestion and full of energy. This recipe makes about 2 liters, which you may bottle, but if you cover the bottles, remember that the fermentation continues and you will see these effervescent bubbles. What does this drink taste like? It tastes like lemon and creamy cereal, very refreshing. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and thank you so much for watching.